On to another video. I'm with
Ranger.
a Get Clip 91. Today we're gonna play
Like truck.
a creepy truck. You know this game? Subscribe and like. We're gonna keep the India truck, like the worst one,
Who
but
will drive?
I will drive. You need to hop on my truck
Okay.
because I'm an expert on this game. I think I never played this game, but oh my bad.
Not in?
Yo, no, you're not in, bro. Dude, let me my things like. Okay, you're in. Too bad I'm gonna drive because I'm the best. Do you see this? Bro, no, I'm not turning. Look at this, bro. Believe. I'm gonna go fast because I'm a speeder. I never do that to my brother. Look, I'm just the best driver ever. Like, no one can beat me. I'm the best driver. I think we're gonna die here, but no. Take cover! No!
My turn.
We're gonna respawn now.
My turn.
Then let's do a race. So,
Yeah.
see who's better. It's gonna be here.
India truck. What is this? Okay, drive.
Go.
Up in.
How do I hop in? Wait for me.
Go to
No.
empty.
It doesn't let me, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Get like more.
Let me fix this. It might be hacked. Go a little front.
I'm gonna go here.
Go. So we're going. If you with like crash is your fault.
Okay.
I'm the best.
Not true, but okay.
Oh nah, I think it was free. We're gonna do a troll, guys. We're gonna do a troll. Are you gonna like hurry up, bro?
I'm pouring another, man.
Guys, look at this troll we're gonna do. So, hurry up, more. Go faster.
I'm going.
Come on, do a troll. So, make sure you subscribe. You're gonna see that it's gonna be so subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, so we're gonna go.
Patience.
Yeah, fishing.
Oh, Greg.
Not gonna lie, but I think something happens to my thing, bro.
Okay.
You can grab again.
Race time. Oh, thank you.
One more time.
Thank you.
The last time.
Race be a friendly guy.
Yeah, I'm a friendly guy.
What's it not loading?
Go.
Wait.
Ooh. Wait for me.
Okay.
Bro, it's like move up front a little bit. More. Oh, go! We're gonna go. So follow us on Roblox. Our user is gonna be Get Clip. This is gonna be our user. We're gonna follow or friend us.
Yeah, you forgot mine.
I put it. Go.
Yeah, delicious.
Yeah.
With 2 O's.
Y'all ready, guys?
Vampire.
Y'all ready for something? Be patient. Yeah. Hey, slowly.
Yeah. Is this Zelda or what?
No! Guys. Wait. Stop. I need to do something.
Okay, hurry up, okay?
Okay, go. Never mind. Nothing.
Let's just put this open.
Bro, no. No. This one. This stuff.
No! I was so close.
I think I'm gonna respawn here. Bro, what happened to my screen, bro?
Race time?
Okay, race time. Go. You need... Bro, no, wait. Never mind. Bro, what is happening?
See ya.
Bro, you're gonna lose. I'm like the best, right, bro?
Not perfect.
Bro sits in the back. You're in the back. You cannot be talking right now.
Just a nice.
I'm not gonna lose, guys.
See guys. See viewers.
What is this?
Run time.
No! I'm losing control. Ooh, see this? Ooh. Expert thing. Ooh. I'm not crashing. Bro! Mimi. Oh, look. No!
Because I died.
No!
Ain't no way, bro, was using cheats.
No.
Let me go.
Go. Let's go to the... Okay, wanna do like a trade, bro? Okay, come. I'ma show you a trick. My game just hacked. Wait for me.
No, you're cheating.
No. Yes. No.
No, you still laugh.
Bro, what is this game, bro? I'm crashing. I'm about to crash out. Bro, look at this game, bro. Like,
don't hate the game. Hate the player.
it wasn't even the player, bro. It was not even the player. Not gonna lie, it was not even the bro fail. Oh no, he didn't. I'ma go fast. Fast like a Mustang.
If I do it, then you give me a brain rot.
Okay, I pack a brain rot, the new one.
Yeah.
The fire.
Oh, green.
After you fail, nah, just kidding.
I'm dead.
You're dead? Yeah, bro.
Look, I'll be dead. Bye, family.
If I do it, you give me 5. Oh, I'm making it. You owe me 1 brain rot.
No.
Yeah. Nah, you owe me 1 brain rot. So pay. Guys, we actually cook.
Oh,
We're actually cooked, bro. I'm stuck. I got 0, bro.
Oh, literally yesterday.
Oh, I can go back.
Yeah.
Might be the LA lifesaver. Bro, this goes slow. We might be an hour here.
Oh, nah. First person is worse.
We did it. Guys, we did it. No. I didn't stuck, not gonna lie.
I got one more stuff now.
Bro, this game is gonna like make me crash out, not gonna lie. Like, it doesn't go back.
What is this for? I don't know.
I'm cooked. I did it. Oh yeah, I did it. Like an expert.
I found this trap.
Okay, I'ma pass it. So,
Oh
bro, fail.
no! Never mind. I'm gonna find this trap.
No, calm down. Hey, car.
I'm gonna cry.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go fast here because you know me. Yo, that was in the chat. We're not even the chat, not gonna lie, bro.
Quadrillion times.
I'm like, that's happened when you're addicted to chat. Checkpoint! Checkpoint!
We actually only fries tonight.
Fries?
For tomorrow.
Oh.
I think I get some for you. You got like some money or what?
Yeah, I got like $1,000.
I think
Yeah.
you like buying
Heck nah.
how many Burger King?
I can buy you a car. Nah, just kidding, bro.
Bro, for $1,000?
No, like a car, like a toy car. Not a real car, bro. I don't got money for a real car, bro.
Bro, you think I play those cars?
You know me crash out,
I
bro.
don't play toys.
Bro, look at my studs, bro. Like, I'm never losing. I'm just an expert. If you want me to drive you on McDonald's, just call me, bro. I got you driving on McDonald's right now. I'm gonna be speeding on the highway. Yeah.
Can you like bring me to a subway?
No. Yeah.
Wait, let's stop talking about food now.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be like a big bag.
We're hungry and big bags.
But you're almost gonna make me crash out. They go, I like crash, not crash out.
I'm doing it. I finally did it.
Finally, bro.
Yeah.
It's like being a no, bro. Did I just kick
I
myself?
finally did it. I'ma cry. So
Nah, don't tell me that. I'm not even on the checkpoint, bro. I'm not even on the checkpoint.
bro, this thing got me stuck.
No. Don't make me do this, guys.
Can I explain something?
No, please. Bro, no.
You're quiet, okay?
No, bro, I'm about to crash out, bro.
No! I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna crash out in this game and I'm not gonna play it.
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
If I die one more time, I'm actually gonna crash out. Okay?
I'm cooked. I'm
gonna cry, bro.
I'm not even at a checkpoint, bro. So, if you wanna see more video like this, subscribe,
I'm gonna crash out.
like, and comment.
Yeah.
Bro, yeah,
and-
crash out.
Yeah, this game is so crashing now.
So, see you to the next video. Peace out.
Yes.